my channel. It's your girl Nicola. Bam! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nicola, your Jamaican naturalista, hair guru, and just good vibes spreader. Okay guys, so first things first, let's talk about, some irregularities. If you are new here, you may not realize that whenever I do my intro to Nicola, it's missing an echo. Usually it has an echo, and my day ones, I know you guys are wondering in the last video, where is the echo? Where's the shaking effect? Alright, so guys and girls, we are temporarily not using the echo nor the shake effect when I do the thing. Sorry for that. So if you are new here, welcome. Like I said before, thank you so much for choosing this video and this channel to watch today. Alright, so guys, my hair has been straight for a long time. My hair is so dirty, it needs to be washed right now. I haven't washed it ever since I did my silk press in my last video, which you can go watch up here. And so before I wash it, it's gonna be like the day after tomorrow, because this hairstyle has to sit overnight for you guys to see the reveal tomorrow. So after that, I wash my hair. What I'm gonna be doing is, I saw this little short video on Instagram, I think it was a TikTok video or something, and what she did was she had her hair, it was natural but it was stretched. She had it in twists, and so it was stretched. And what she did was she just used her mousse to achieve the bombest curls using her curling rods or pins or whatever you call those things. And so I thought I want to try that so bad, since my hair is already in this very straight situation right now. I hope you guys are hearing me. In the background, y'all are hearing the fan, because the place it's at. Alright, so she used her mousse and her curling rods, and so I've got these setters rollers here. I'm going to be using them, and I'm really hoping that it comes out very well. Muy bien, muy bueno, très bien, muy bueno. Yeah, very good. We want it to come out nice, bad like rice. And so I'm going to be leaving it overnight. Hopefully it works. But because my hair is not wet or anything, and I'm not adding water, oh my god, and I'm not adding any water, I'm going to be using my mousse, my Zimii mousse, along with my Zimii curls gel. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna use two of them. They are the dynamic duo. They are the couple in love. They are the Bonnie and Clyde of mousse and curls gel. If y'all didn't know, let me put you on to the good stuff. This almost finished, so hopefully you can do all of this big old head of mine. And alright, too much chatting, let's jump into it. Yeah, alright. You guys, why is it why the curls gel making the hair look like, look at that. What is it doing? I don't understand. Alright guys, so this is the day after I slept with my hair tied down, covered with a bonnet, covered with a bonnet, tied down, then covered again with another bonnet to try to secure these rollers because I'm used to them coming undone. And let's see how it goes. So what I did this morning was I actually used my blow dryer as well to ensure that it was fully dry, because you know said normally when we try them something here, when I start taking my hair down, it always still a little bit wet, because my hair, what it does, it takes a long time to get wet, but then when it get wet, it wet and it's gonna stay that way there. So let me just go ahead and take down these now and let's see how they go. Of course, I just wanted to be cute today because we're not doing makeup nor nothing. But I'm also trying not to expose myself because I'm not reaching a way yet in a YouTube world, and I don't want to be, you know, chastised for nudity. So let's take these down and see how they go. Alright, so first things first, it's not as curly as I expected. I like it. I like what it's looking like, but it's not as curly as I expected. Is it a bit damp still? No, maybe my hand them cool. But let's continue. I added an elastic band to a couple of them to keep the covers down. So you will see me remove elastic bands. So again, this nicely. Let's just go through all of this. This is what I wanted all them to look like. You see this thing right here? That's what I wanted all them to look like, because that's how her hair looked. Like all them did for looks done. Sure. The one here, she never that even curl up because she's there. Nice, see? Nice bud. So over the side alone, she not really cooperates. Over here, so not this so bad. Look here, even the one where the root not do too beautifully, but the rest of it come out springing. I was home my keep my meal.
And oh.
Like it. Alright guys, so first things first, I like how this look. I like how this look. This is giving me, so you know them old time black movies where the guys had the curls, Jerry curls. That's what it's giving. It's giving Jerry curls. Okay, Snoop Dogg, Uncle Snoopy, yeah. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to fluff it up so that we can actually see if, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, them nice and bouncy, watch it. Yeah, you know the little dog in the car, we put at the front, the bubble head dog, yeah. So you guys, no hairpins necessary. I simply brushed in my edges, no edge control either, and used my fingers to tuck my hair behind my ears, and that's really it. And I'm going to add some oil sheen, and I should be good to go. I don't know what you guys think. Please let me know. As I said, to achieve this style, I use the Dynamic Duo from Zimii. It's a Jamaican brand. It's a Jamaican brand. I am putting them on simply because I love how they work together, and simply because my thing said this never did gonna work. You know, when we're pulling out this side, I thought it wasn't gonna work, but then on this side, it really came out well. And all together, it really came together. And they ain't sponsored, but they work pretty well. But you can use your favorite mousse, you can use your favorite curling gel. The girl used only mousse, but because, like I said, my hair was extremely straight because it has been silk pressed, and so I needed some extra, you know, hydration and curling effect in there, hence why I used the curls gel. But yeah, I like how it's here. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like a bit classy, you know, even though I am dressed not so classily. I'm just cute, so it's classy and cute. I would like that. We can work with that. Don't I'm not going to lie, I wasn't usually an outdoor person, but I'm really missing the outdoors, especially since I've seen that I've got some clothes that I haven't worn it and I need to wear. Also, with that being said, let me know if you guys would like to see a haul, because I have some clothes today where them tight up now because I'm get look a bit fat. So I like to try them on for you guys. If you'd like to, I don't want to push anything on you, so please let me know what you think about all of that. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. The next time you see me, hopefully I'm kinky and curly again. Fingers crossed, prayers up. Until then, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. So you know what you're supposed to do? Walk good, live, love, laugh, and spread good vibes. Peace. Mwah.